Alright, so what's poppin' everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video, and as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, this video is going to be a treat for you guys, more specifically the OG guys who's been watching the channel for a long time, because I have not done a video like this in a long time. And today's video is going to be a clothing haul. First things first, as usual, big shout out to the homies at DGK for supplying a clothing haul for today. Now, one thing that I do want to tell you guys is if you guys do like the clothing hauls, stay tuned, because you guys know I can get busy, you feel me? I can really get busy. So without further ado, we're about to get straight into it. The socials, meaning the Instagram and Twitter, is going to be at IMCHRISBRIGGS and IMCHRISBRIGGS too. Go ahead and check me out over there. But without further ado, sit back, relax, go to McDonald's and get you a Whopper, because we are about to get it popped. Ah, yes, the package. Now, we meet again. If you guys don't know, everybody has probably seen this at this point, bro. This bad boy cut my hand wide open. Without further ado, let me go ahead and, I literally just cut myself. This is not a game. I almost serrated a blood vessel or popped the vein. I don't know how to say it. But without further ado, bro, we are about to get straight into this unboxing. Boom, bam. I gotta wash myself. Real quick. Damn, that thing just be cutting, bro. Like, check this out. Look at that. Bang, like, that's your head right there. You feel me? Like, that's just your ligaments. Everything is gone. This is just real surgical. Bop, watch that. Bop. If that was my hand, you'll see nothing but bone right now. You feel me? Let me go ahead and put this away before things get nasty. All right, now, popping. This bad boy open. You know, it's them push-ups I've been doing, you know what I'm saying? Things starting to work out a little bit. All right, I throw this bad boy. Ooh. All right, so as you guys can see, we got a couple things that we do have to talk about. Let me go ahead and, you know what I'm saying, unravel everything real quick. Now, the first thing in this brand new clothing haul, I have to give it to this super dope DGK shirt right here. Now, dang, look at this bad boy. Now, as you guys can see, this is in like this kind of like shadow gray, heather gray type of tie-dye right here, and that tie-dye print is definitely dope. Now, one thing that I will say about DGK's clothing is that the quality is always in tip-top shape whenever I shop with them. And the one thing that is cool about this shirt is that if you look on the left side of the shirt, you see this mushroom logo that says Trippin' DGK, and it's like almost like this psychedelic type of color, if you guys know what I'm saying. And I think that this is super fire, bro. Listen, if I wanted to throw these on to like almost make them pop, I'd throw them on with almost like throwing some light wash jeans, or just throwing some jeans in general, or maybe like some black denim, throwing the Antetokounmpos, the multicolored Antetokounmpos, or you could throw on some Golf Lafleurs, or you could throw on the Royal ones, and that would be a cool little fit. And also, when it comes to the back of this shirt, we have this super dope print right here. It's like this super psychedelic mushroom print right there. You see this guy? Look at him. Look at that praying mantis right there, just taking the edge off. I respect it, bro. It also says Trippin' at the bottom in yellow, and I do think that this shirt is fire. I feel like that gray type of heather type of look with all of those colors just makes all of this colors, like the oranges and the blues and the yellows and the lime greens and the pinks, stand out. So this one is super dope. One thing that I will say is that most of DGK's clothing, I go like true to size. So I did cop this one in a large, and I will say go true to size. Now, the next pickup for this clothing haul, I have to give it to this super dope purple DGK shirt right here. Now, the actual graphic print on the shirt says always on the hustle, and like this little comic book type of graphic print. I think that that's super dope. I believe that that is the Hulk, but instead of being green, my bad boy has went Super Saiyan God mode, and he is all red. This shirt is fire, bro. Throw these on with the court purple ones, and you swagging. You pulling every girl that you're talking to. Or if you even want to get even crazier with it, this sneaker with the LeBron 7 Media Days would go absolutely insane. That would be fire. This is dope. I really like the colors too. Violet hues and some red and some reddish pink in there. Now when it comes to this shirt right here, this shirt should still be on their website. Again, I picked this shirt up in a size large. I do have some B-roll for you if it fits true to size, you feel me? I would recommend that you guys do go true to size. But for this clothing piece, I had to give it to this super dope purple DGK Always on the Hustle shirt right here. Super cool. Check it out on the website. I try to have everything in the description box down below. Now for the next clothing piece, and actually the last clothing piece, I have to give it to this super dope DGK jersey right here. Now this is almost like some type of soccer jersey because the feeling is like this light type of mesh. It's almost like super breathable. Now, if you look around that collar, it says DGK all around that collar. That's one thing that I do think is dope. And just the prints is cool because you see DGK right here in white, but then you also have like this type of orange, black, red, and yellow camo. But then it goes from the orange, black, red, and yellow camo to a dang blue, purple, red, and all types of other camo right here. And then it says hustle on the sleeve right there. Now also looking at this part of the shirt right here, we have more of that camo, but the camo is in like a green, a blue, and so when it comes to this jersey right here, this is super dope. I think there are a little bit more sizes left on the website, so I will have the link in the description box down below for you guys to check it out. Like I said, for this bad boy, I went a size large. Also, my measurements, I'm a cool 6'1", 6'2", about 150 pounds, you feel me? I have not put on any weight at all. I'm not gonna lie, but I might have just did something. You take this jersey right here, and you match that up with the Antetokounmpos, I'm gonna keep it real. It's gonna be mad loud and busy and a lot going on. But if you really wanna like finesse a fit, that could go. Like you could pull that off. Any Air Jordan 1 sneaker will go with these perfectly. The shadows will go great. The breads will go great. The royals will go great. Also, even the pine greens. If you can get the new pine greens and throw those on with these, bro, you honestly got yourself a killer, you feel me? All right, everybody, so when it comes to this video, that's the end. Now, when it comes to this clothing haul, what was your favorite thing that I showed today? Was it that cool little soccer jersey? Was it the tripping shirt? Or was it the always on the hustle purple shirt? Let me know in the comment section down below. Also, if you guys would like more clothing hauls on the channel, I used to do these like crazy. I used to always drop clothing hauls. Maybe I should just get back in my bag with the clothing hauls also. If you guys want that, let me know in the comment section. Also, shout out to the homies at DGK for always supplying your boy with the dope fits. Go ahead and check them out on Instagram, and please go ahead and check them out in the description box down below. But without further ado, as you guys already know, got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs signing out.